know, if you gave a shit about Tara, maybe you'd spend a little less time being a thug and a little more time being a dad.
You need to watch your mouth, old man.
Oh, yeah? Well, what are you gonna do? You gonna kill me, huh? Is that what you're gonna do? Add me to your body count?
Everything I do is for my sons.
Oh, you know what? Maybe I should go into my trailer and stay in the kitchen and wait for somebody to come along and stick a fork in my head.
The Chinese didn't kill Tara. Gemma did.
That's gonna swallow you up. That's gonna destroy you, man.
That's the part that hurts the most about all this, man. After everything she did, all the lies, and the death, and the wreckage. I still love her, you know. She's my mom.